Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome to 100 Days of Junk Journal Pockets as we are nearing the end and we are on day 95. I just am reflecting back on all these wonderful pockets, all the alternative ways to make them, and the variety that's included here in this kit, booklet. If you are interested in the booklet, it is available on my Ko-Fi site. It's a digital printable. Also, check out Creating with Jovi, and she will show you her version of the mini envelope pocket stack. So what you need are 2 or 3 mini envelopes. You can make your own if you like. You're going to need some glue or some double-sided tape, a cardstock base. I'm using a piece that is about 4 inches wide and about 8 inches tall. And then your mini letters to go in your pockets, your mini, I don't know, random acts of kindness, your journaling cards, your mini anything that can fit inside here would be great. Even little pictures would be awesome. And then however you want to embellish. Now there's a couple of different ways to put these on, so I'm going to jump right in. You can put them on like this if you want to, or you can stack them this way vertically, and that's how I'm going to do that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to seal down the flap, and then under here I'm going to seal down this flap here, and then the pockets are also flippable that way. All right, so you could write something under here or even cover this, which we might do that today. So first I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ink up this paper, and then we're going to get started. Now I have prepared my envelopes. I'm using 2. The suggestion is 2 or 3. It really depends on the size of your envelopes and the size of your page. So you're going to have to measure for your own page that you're going to be setting this. So I'm actually setting this onto a backing of cardstock that will be added to my page. So this is like adding a page layout. So this is a really cool idea. So I'm going to glue down the flap of my envelope. And I'm going to glue it right here in the middle. Line up my envelope. All right. Then this envelope, I'm going to glue down the flap, but I want it to line up and stack where I can open and close this over this envelope, but then hide what's underneath it. So I'm going to glue this envelope right here, and that will go underneath here. All right. Now, I don't want to see this little flap, so I've prepared a piece to go over it, and this is from one of the pages in my kit. I just cut out this section with the candles, and if you can see that glow, that is from solar paste. I added solar paste to the flames, the candles, and the pumpkin at the bottom. Just give it a little shimmer and a little something more. So I measured this to fit right here. So that will cover up that flap, so I am not having to see it. Now I'm not going to make it a pocket or anything, but you could do that if you wanted to. I just wanted to make it real pretty under here. So, and my solar paste is about dry, but not quite. So there we go. So then this is going to fold up here. This can fold up here. Make sure it's even. And there we go. And then all that's really left is adding whatever embellishments you want, anything in your envelopes. So I've got this real pretty seam binding. It's actually vintage. And so I'm going to add that right here to the bottom of both envelopes. So I've got 2 pieces. So we're going to add that right there. And then we're going to do the same thing here. It's real pretty. This seam binding, it's kind of a cream color. More brown in it, I guess. Okay, so we're going to just turn that. Okay, and that just kind of makes the envelope final. Then I've got Remember to Be Kind. I'm actually going to put that inside. I'm going to put Count Your Blessings inside the envelopes. And then I have a little note here that I can put on to, you know, just embellish a little bit. So I'll just put that there. And then I've got Sweater Weather, and I'm just going to put that onto one of my labels I had previously made. So give it a little extra embellishment. And then we're just going to glue that on right here. And then I think that is embellished nicely. So then I'm just going to put this one here. I'm going to let it kind of overlap a little bit on the pocket. So I'm not going to glue down the pocket of my envelope, but we'll put that there. And then I've got Brisk, and we'll put that on this label that I had made. And using scraps to make labels is pretty awesome. So if you ever want to use scraps up, that is a pretty cool way to do it. Then I've got some leaves, and I was trying to decide if I wanted to separate them or not. I think I'm going to leave these put together and come on a roll like ribbon. And here we go. And then I've got these brown ones. We'll put them right here. And then we'll take the green ones and put them right here. And then I could add more, but this is a really fun little interactive thing to put on your page, and you could embellish the other side of your envelope as well, you know, and make whatever you want. And then you could write notes under here if you wanted to too. So anyway, that is how I put together my mini envelopes pocket stack, and I hope you enjoyed it, and you'll make some. Thanks for watching.